Hi, in front of me is Realme C3i, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, find calendar and click on it. Now tap on the month above and select the date. When you're done, click at the bottom right corner on this plus icon, tap on event, and now you can add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click done, add people, location, take notes, pick starting hour, ending one, or enable this event all day by clicking on the switcher next to all day. When you're done, click save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added, but if you wish to delete it, you can always click on it, tap at the top right corner on these three dots, choose delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!